Alright, so here I got a couple more pickups, and first up is this Pittsburgh 16-inch Pry Bar, or what they call a Jimmy bar. But yeah, it's definitely a heavy duty. It's got the nice end door if you have to align any parts or suspension. But I'm going to be working on a French truck soon, so I figured I'd get that. Hopefully that comes in handy. And the only other pry bars I have are the set from Harbor Freight, which aren't as robust as this. So yeah, this was $14.99, so not bad on that. Lifetime warranty. So and next up, this 16-inch tie rod separator. Some people like to call it pickle fork, but there's a part number, and this was $9.99. It's nice to have, besides you know, the attachments you put on the air hammer. You know, you whack it with a nice sledge, and most of the time it should work. So it's always nice to have. And next up is a product from Duratec, and there's the part number. I like how very a lot of their tools are packaged in pouches, and decent quality, that's for sure. But I like how small and thin this is. This is their mini wrench set. Goes from a 4 to an 11, and then a 5/32 to a 7/16. It's nice to have for, you know, small fasteners. Let's check out the infamous 10. Yeah. 10-1. It's pretty good tolerance. We got 6-1. As I pulled it out, it was 6. It's, yeah, definitely decent finish on there. Most of them are 12 points, except for the smaller. These are 6 points. And that's a 12, and then the 4 and a 4.5 are a 6 point. Next up, I got the Gearwrench. These are the mid-lengths chrome 6-point sockets and 3/8 drive. Comes in a decent plastic rail. Probably keep them on there in the toolbox. Easy grab and go. Yeah, not so long ago I picked up the Sunex brand of mid-lengths. Those are impact, so I figured I'd pick up some standard sizes. But they are stamped on 2 sides. Not gonna really go wrong with Gearwrench. Decent brand. Let's see if I can find that part number. Alright, so yeah, it's 80555S. There you go. Next up are some sockets that I picked up. And I forgot that I got these. These are Bandit earplugs. I like this style because it goes around the back of your head and on your neck. Just easy on and off. So yeah, pretty simple. Easier than earmuffs, I guess. As long as you're not, you know, this noise is not that loud. I could probably use these for the gun range as well. Alright, let's get into these. These are the Capri 1/2-inch stubbies. It's actually got a decent little case. But, yeah, there's got the part number there. These are metric. And 1/2-inch drive, 15-piece. Made in Taiwan. Yeah, there goes from a 10 to a 24. I like that they are 6 points. Hold on a second. Alright, so let me get 19 here. And I got a Husky normal shallow. See, it's pretty good size difference. And these are the Astro pneumatic. This is a 3/8 drive, but I do want to pick up the Astro 1/2-inch. I pulled the triggers on these first, but I like Capris. But yeah, the 3/8. I'm not sure how much more the 1/2-inch would be compared to this, but I just like that you can put a wrench on this and be that much more shallow rather than only a socket on here, or a ratchet, I mean. So I think I am gonna pick up the Astro 1/2. But yeah, these are definitely nice for a decent price as well. I can't remember if the Astros were 6 point. I believe they are. The 3/8 are, so I'm assuming the 1/2-inches are as well. But they are stamped, and I believe they're just laser etched as well. Yeah, definitely a nice size, full set, no skips. I really like the case that it comes in. So that's cool. And over here, this is the SAE. But there's a part number, all the sizes it comes with. So 3/8 to a 1-inch. I don't know why, but this SAE comes in a nice case, and those don't, but whatever. It's a really nice case. But they will be coming out of here, and I'm gonna probably put them on a rail. But if you need it to go, it's definitely a really durable case. And yeah, these sizes seem all identical in length. Yeah, definitely nice, nice sockets. like to compare him to the Astros.